Be prepared to be baubled over with our latest DIY as we create a bauble wreath straight from a cosy Nordic winter's lodge. You will need a wire clothes hanger, some battery wire lights, a selection of baubles, a hot glue gun, wire cutters, and a large festive ribbon or bow. Top tip: before you begin, don't forget to check that your wire lights are working. Start by reshaping the wire hanger into a hoop shape to create the body of your wreath. Carefully use the wire cutters to untwist the hook at the top of your hoop, leaving both ends loose. For the baubles, cut the hanging string and remove the silver cap. Using a hot glue gun, carefully put a small amount of glue within the cap and secure this back into place on the bauble. Once dry, thread the baubles onto the hanger, alternating them in size, colour and style to create a fuller effect. Once you're happy with the placement of your baubles, carefully retwist the ends of the hanger back together. You can use the wire cutters again to do this. Now it's time to add your lights. Secure the battery pack to the back of the wreath using the hot glue gun. Then, intertwine the lights between the baubles, looping them in and out of the wreath. To cover the battery pack, simply add a festive bow before hanging your wreath in pride of place. Thanks for watching!